Hi guys, welcome back to the next part of the house moving series. Before I get into today's video, I just want to give you a little bit of an update. I have created another channel. I decided that I wanted to split my content up just so that subscribers weren't getting confused about the type of things that I was posting. So on this channel it's going to stay as all of the property renovation and room makeovers, and on the other channel it's going to be any other day-to-day lifestyle stuff such as clean with me's, hauls and vlogs. So if you haven't already, go over to the new channel and show your support there too. That would be great. It would really mean a lot to me. I'll link it down in the description below and also pop it up here on screen. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So after all of the waiting around and me trying to push the valuation survey forward, buyer then deciding that she wanted to get a building survey done. I then had to wait another week for this building survey to be carried out. I've not started packing, I've not started moving because I didn't want anything to come up on the building survey which was then going to perhaps make my buyer change her mind. I thought I would be tempting fate if I ended up moving anything out of the house. I thought I'm just best off keeping everything as it is. So we're about 6 weeks now, I think, after me accepting the offer and still no movement. So there's been a slight change of plan with things. I'm still going to be moving into the property of my mum's, but now I'm actually going to be buying it off her. We were just doing a little bit of tarting up in here to get it on the market, but because everything with my house is taking so long, by the time we actually moved in, it'd probably be time to move out again. So I thought it'd be better if I was to buy this. I can do more work, hopefully add a little bit of value and sell it next year. So I'll probably stay here maybe 7 or 8 months, get the work finished off and then get back on track with finding a bigger property. I'm here at the moment. I have been doing some work on the kitchen. Had I known that I was going to be actually living here, I would have done things a little bit differently, because now I'm actually going to have to live without a dishwasher. I've got a human dishwasher, thankfully. That's now going to be Alicia's job to do the washing up because it's not something that I enjoy doing. But yeah, I would have made space for a dishwasher had I known that we were actually going to be living here. We started moving some of my things out of the shed and they can go down in the cellar. I've done a bit of a furniture swap with my mum for some of the outside furniture. She had a really big table which will fit better in this yard rather than at her house. So she's got my small iron table and chairs. So we're doing that bit of a swap over today. So I'm going to move over anything that we don't necessarily need that isn't going to affect the look of the house, because even if for whatever reason the sale doesn't go through with my current buyer, we can still sort of like carry on getting stuff done here and just move out of the current house once everything's sort of sorted with all of the solicitors and stuff. As I said, I've already started work on the kitchen in here. I'm going to be pulling out the bathroom, doing a full new bathroom refit, redecorating, just bringing it up to standard a little bit. It's not the best of areas, so the value increase isn't going to be great, but it still gives me a chance to make a little bit of money on it and still do what I love, which is doing up houses. So that's where we're at the moment. It feels like I'm never going to move at this rate. I instructed the solicitors to begin work on me buying my mum's house. Today I need to go over there and get things tidied up a little bit. I've just been dumping everything in the living room. I've got all of my tools and stuff over there. So I need to get all of that sorted out. I'm going to be ripping the bath out today so that I can get started on the bathroom. My mum's going away next week. She's going over to her house in France for 5 weeks, so I need to make the most of the next couple of days while she's still here, using her big car to get the bath to the tip. So that is the plan for today. So this is currently the situation that I'm working with. So I need to get all of this cleared up so that I can bring everything from the bathroom that's going down here to go to the tip. So that's the bath and the sink out, and tomorrow the tiles will be pulled off. So the plan is the bath's going to go across there underneath the window, have a shower over. The toilet's either going to go here or here. And then a sink unit, vanity unit in here with a sink on top. So we're now at B&Q to go and get the new bath. I'm gonna load it up with the bath and a few other bits. So I've got the bath here now. I've not got any taps yet. I've not decided on which taps I'm going for. This is a sink that I picked up a few weeks ago, absolute bargain in the clearance at B&Q because I think it's been discontinued. So it's countertop sink, £15. I'm really made up with that, and so I'm going to be making a vanity unit for that to sit on like I've got in the bathroom in the house that I'm living in at the moment. So the only thing that I've got left to get is a toilet. I didn't like any of the cheaper toilets in B&Q, so I think I'm going to go over to Wickes to pick up a toilet. So I've emptied out my big planter. I want to get that over to the house just because I don't want it to be left behind really. The garden's looking so sad at the moment. I don't know whether this planter is actually going to survive another move. It's actually really rotten, so I'm not going to fill it up again yet until I've got it painted and protected. So this is the new table that I've got off my mum. So some of the plants are over here now, and the colour scheme this time round I think will be purple. So guys, I'm not going to lie, the last month has been a little bit stressful. I've cut so much out of this video, which was me pretty much moaning about how long this whole process was taking. I'd been chasing the estate agents what felt like constantly and not getting anywhere with them, not getting calls back. Like I was getting so frustrated with the whole process. Today I've had some good news. The seller's solicitors have sent inquiries over to my solicitors, so things are moving on that side of things now, and hopefully over the next week or two we'll start talking about a moving date. What I'm probably going to do from now on is a renovation vlog of things that I'm going to be doing on the new house, and then like a full video on each of the rooms that I'm making over. I'm not going to be able to do sort of like a room at a time really, because I'm going to have to be doing little bits on each different thing. So I thought a renovation vlog would probably be the best way to do it. So let me know what you think of that idea. So the next video that I put up after this one will be a full tour of the house before renovation. I've already filmed that, I've just not edited it yet. I have been feeling a little bit down as well with obviously everything that's going on. We're still on quite strict restrictions in Manchester, and now that my mum's off to France it's just me and Alicia now, so I haven't been feeling too great about it really. I'm just really glad that things are starting moving with this now, and that I have actually got the other house to be working on to keep me occupied. So I hope you are all keeping really well. It's a tough time for everyone at the moment, so make sure you're all keeping safe. Try and keep as happy as possible. Drop me a comment, let me know how you're all getting on, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.